Toi donc, j'ai les clés. Qui offre 6? Gardez votre homme, les gars.
So we just did Pirates of the Caribbean. It was fun. A little different than ours. It had 2 hills. Does ours have 2 hills?
I don't remember.
I don't remember either. But we're now in the mouth of this skull. You can see the teeth right there. So we're inside of the skull. We're just killing time before our reservations for dinner because we are pretty hungry.
So I wanted to know what they were saying during the redhead scene because she didn't have any lines. At least I didn't hear her say anything.
No. And it would have been hard to hear. I didn't hear a woman's voice.
Huh.
So.
But she has lines in the Disney World one, so.
She does. She's very empowered.
I don't know if it's like the old version a little bit.
I don't know.
But she had weaponry and stuff, I don't know.
Yeah, so I don't think she was being sold. So.
Unless she was an assassin.
Pirate assassin.
Yeah.
I love it. What do you see?
The nose hole.
Oh yeah, there's coins in there.
I got a 10-cent euro.
Yeah, you want to try? Oh yeah, and you see the mouth down below. That's where we were. Gotta find it. All right, he's gonna throw it in. Oh, I missed the hole. Darn. Good try though.
I hope that was a 10-cent.
You just threw away like €5, whatever.
Right this way, please.
Where are we eating?
A pirate's place. I don't know.
What's it called?
What is it called? What is this called?
Who are we here for?
Jack Sparrow.
Yes,
Is it his
called
restaurant? Captain Jack's.
Captain Jack's. This is his restaurant, and it's right off of the ride. You can kind of see it. Oh, you can't. Oh, wait, there you can see it. See the ride right there? Is this his retirement plan?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, maybe he retired, he found some treasure, and he opened up a restaurant. So I have a story. I just washed my hands, and I'm touching my phone again, but Evan hasn't heard it either. So I just walked towards the toilets, okay? But the rooms were not marked at all. And so I just walked in. There's also some sinks to wash my hands. I washed my hands in the men's restroom. But yeah, so that happened. No one caught me though, but
You figured it out after?
I figured it out afterwards. But yeah, that happened. So Evan, what did you order?
Guacamole.
With what?
Chips.
Chips? You get 3 chips. You gotta have lots of guac on each chip.
Yeah. I'm stacking it up.
Load it up. How is that?
Really good guac.
Good. I'll try it. So they gave us cocoa bread. Don't mind the guacamole on it. I spilled some guac on it, but it's like chocolate, like tasting. It's sweet. It's pretty good. Taste it. A good sweet potato. So I got the beef and Evan got the pork. And we're gonna share. So we finished eating at Captain Jack's and the food was good. I think I liked my beef more than his pork. But we're finishing up here. We're gonna swing by Walt Disney Studios Park to ride one ride before they close. And then we're gonna go charge my phone. We stopped for a cookie. It's supposed to have like this is their celebration cookie. It's just triple chocolate. And Evan got another
Cappuccino.
Another cappuccino. This is number what?
3 or so.
number 3 for today. So we're gonna have a cookie and then go ride Snow White.
Very style.
We just rode Snow White. It was cute.
Yeah.
Now we're headed to Big Thunder. It has a 60-minute wait, so that's not good, but we're gonna do that next. So we just had a little bit of Disney magic happen. So when we just recorded, we were on our way to get on Big Thunder, and we were gonna stop to go to the bathroom. And before we went in, we got stopped by this lady. And she says, would you like our extra 2 premiere passes for Big Thunder? We're like, yeah, that's awesome. So we joined their family. Briefly, and we got to ride it, and it was awesome. It was 10 times better than the Big Thunder Mountain in Florida. It was so much better. What was your favorite part?
Favorite part of the ride? Oh, it was pretty fast.
Yeah, it was much faster. It had some like dark moments where you were like in the mountain and you couldn't see anything, so that was
closer to the Yeti ride, really.
Yeah.
In some ways, not going backwards, but just speed.
Right. In speed, it was awesome. Like, I would ride it again, but we don't have much time, so we have an hour before the fireworks, so we're going to probably go get him a souvenir cup and see what else. I don't know. We don't have time to ride any rides, I don't think. But yeah, that was so exciting that happened. I was like, oh, Disney magic.
For 30 years, Disneyland Paris has welcomed dreamers of all ages from all around the world.
We did it. Let me look at my watch here.
Yeah,
37,721 steps. So yeah, we made it. It's midnight and
Is it?
yeah.
Shit, okay.
And like we said, we walked 37,000 steps. I almost said 37,000 miles. And our backs are hurting, man. It took everything in me to walk normal. But we watched the fireworks show.
I feel like they can't shoot fireworks a certain height because they were sticking to pretty low.
Oh, maybe. My favorite part though was that little thing where they put the 30 in the sky.
Yeah.
And it took me.
Some light.
Well, it took me forever to figure out how they did that. I think they're drones. I think they send up drones that have the light, because then they can move them, you know? So that was really cool to see. It was basically like my worst nightmare when it comes to fireworks shows, of either people filming or taking photos with the flash on towards the castle, or little children getting up on the back of somebody, like,
and then moving in front of you.
or them moving
Right
in front
before
of
the show
you,
starts.
and we're just like, we've been standing here, like, what the heck? When we got our spot, there was nobody in front of us for like 50 feet, and then, oh, time to start, we get in front of everybody. So you'll probably see, I'll post a video of me filming, and then all of a sudden, a Mickey Mouse balloon comes right in front of the camera, and then a guy with a kid on his shoulder comes right in front of me, and I'm like, are you serious? So I'm so glad we wore our masks, because we were just like packed in, like,
Hopefully that was enough.
yeah, hopefully that was enough, like sardines. When people cough and sneeze, they just do it out. They don't
A few people
do the vampire. Remember the kid we saw today? The kid sneezed and he covered his mouth, thankfully, but then from his hands, snot was just dripping down to the floor. It was pretty gross, but anyway, so we're tired. We're gonna be getting up at 7 a.m. so we can catch our train at 9 a.m. to get back to Brussels, and then from Brussels we're going back to Amsterdam. So we have a morning of traveling. So overall, fireworks show was cute. All right, we're gonna say goodnight.
Night.
Bye.